Hello guys and welcome to our new video. I hope you all are fine. Today we have came with a new topic that is sustainable development goal progress. So let's start the video. So report outline. Part 1 we will discuss the introduction, part 2 messages from our leaders, part 3 priority SDGs, part 4 measuring progress and part 5 next steps. The 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Number 1, no poverty. Number 2, zero hunger. Number 3, good health and well being. Number 4, quality education. Number 5, gender equality. Number 6, clean water and sanitation. Number 7, affordable and clean energy. Number 8, decent work and economic growth. Number 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. Number 10, reduced inequalities. Number 11, sustainable cities and communities. Number 12, responsible consumption and production. Number 13, climate action. Number 14, life below water. Number 15, life on land. Number 16, peace, justice and strong institutions. Number 17, partnerships for the goals. All of the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) are also known as global goals, are a set of 17 integrated and interrelated goals to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that humanity enjoys peace and prosperity by 2030. Reporting on these Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs is important in communicating to stakeholders, the company's commitment, and to contributing to the global goals, claiming accountability and responsibility to take the necessary actions and measuring progress over time. Introduction. The SDG Progress Report can start with a brief review of your organization's alignment to the global goals. It can include the social responsibility and business case for taking actions on the SDGs. Creating a good SDG progress report means being transparent with your audience. Back up your claims with relevant data. Keep your sentences concise when necessary, but dive into detail when it comes to qualitative and qualitative evidence. Message for our leaders. This section is an opportunity to demonstrate how top management is taking the lead and giving direction to this company's sustainability efforts. An authentic, sincere, and mission driven statement from the chair, CEO, or president signals commitment and sets the tone for the rest of the report. It can include an overview of the vision, direction, and strategy the organization is committed to take to help move the needle on the SDGs to meet the global 2030 deadline. Priority SDGs. There are 17 SDGs and 169 targets in total. While they are all important and interrelated, some will be more relevant to your business than others. This section can identify the specific SDGs and target your organization is prioritizing and demonstrating how they align with your own business strategy and goals. Priority SDG. To help give your audience an overview, this section can include a brief description of the goal, its relevance to your sector or industry, and the specific sub-targets your organization is addressing. Now we'll discuss what is priority SDG. To help give your audience an overview, this section can include a brief description of the goal, its relevance to your sector or industry, and the specific sub-targets your organization is addressing. So, now there is the priority SDG. To help give your audience an overview, this section can include a brief description of the goal, its relevance to your sector or industry, and the specific sub-targets your organization is addressing. Measuring progress. Performance goals are a good way to monitor and measure progress. Reporting performance can include details such as indicators, identified data collected, and SDG related activities accomplished. The key indicator. Your key progress indicator goes here. Activity or project. Add a few details describing the related activities. What is the data or outcome? What results did you obtain from your project? Write them here. Your key performance indicator goes here. Add a few details describing the related activities. What results do you obtain from your project? Write them here. What's your infographic title? Performance goals are a good way to monitor and measure progress. Reporting performance can include details such as indicators, identified data collected, and SDG related activities accomplished. Here is the graph how you can progress your SDG. 100 readers appreciate accurate information and 80 of the readers appreciate accurate information. What should you be including in your SDG progress report? While there is no standard way of reporting on the global goals as of yet, here are a few methods to consider when presenting your data. Key statistics. Your most important quantitative data. Key findings. Qualitative results from SDG related progress or activities. Number 3. Report cards. Criteria and grade assessments for transparent reporting. Number 4. Infographics. An organized snapshot of relevant data. Number 5. Timelines. A visual way to track progress over time. Catch your reader's eye by highlighting one of your main points in the space. Next steps. This SDG progress report is a continuous work in a progress, a way for your organization to track its impact and improvements over time. This section outlines your strategy for continuing the good work done so far. Action or commitment. Include a brief description, rationale, and intended impact. It helps to keep it concise yet concrete. Conclusion. End your report with a review of the highlights and a renewed commitment to continue working on making the SDGs attainable by 2030. A vision statement, call to action, or quote from your leaders are powerful ways to conclude your progress report. Leave your audience inspired and motivated to help your organization achieve its SDG aligned goals. Highlight number 1. Summarize the key points here. Bullet points help. Bullet points help. Highlight number 2. Summarize the key points here. And highlight number 3. It also summarize the key points here. So that is for our whole video. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe.